If you want to learn how to buy your first home, then I would like to share our Home Buyers Bootcamp with you for free. It's an online video bootcamp featuring actual agents and mortgage pros that will walk you through the entire home buying process in around 30 minutes. If you are currently renting, you have probably seen the rental market continue to climb up. Rents have been increasing steadily in most markets since 2014. And if that's the case, you are probably starting to think about the future and ways to create a little more stability. And buying a home and getting out of the uncertainty of the rental market could be the perfect answer for you. Now, if you have never done this before, the process may seem a bit overwhelming and you could be finding yourself not knowing even where to start. As a homeowner, I totally get it. The first time I made an offer on a home, I was not familiar with the process, and my offer was so low the agents didn't even take me seriously. My name is Olivia Figuered, and I have been in the real estate industry for more than 15 years on the lending side. And on any given day, we have between 200 and 300 active home buyers somewhere within the process. And over 60% of them are buyers just like you looking for their first home. We have broken this bootcamp into 3 key modules. Module number 1 is getting ready to make your offer. We will cover all the steps you can take before you make an offer so you can be ready when you do find a home. Module number 2 is how to make an offer that will get accepted. It's not always the highest priced offer that gets accepted. And in this section, you will learn how the offer process works and how to position yourself as the most attractive buyer. Module number 3 is what happens after your offer is accepted. At this point, the process moves pretty fast and we cover all the things that happen between now and your closing day. So if you want to give yourself an advantage when home shopping, learn the entire home buying process from the pros inside our Home Buying Bootcamp. Just click the button on this video and you will be taken to a page where you can sign up for free and get instant access to the course videos, downloadable guides, and even a digital home buyer's guide that covers the entire process in an easy to consume written format. See you on the inside.